I work team 3 and it's conformed by Ingrid Sanchez.
Gustavo Garcia.
Well, our STEM project name is Eco Fortify, and let's start by saying that we chose the ODC number 6, that is the clean water and sanitation. Basically, what we search in this project is to put in use a purification water system using titanium plates that reduce or remove organic material from contaminated water.
Some basic concepts for you to understand this project is photocatalysis. Defined as a process that uses energy from sunlight to convert molecules into atoms, either directly by absorbing light or indirectly through reactive species generated by photosynthesis. Photosynthesis there is a molecule that when it's exposed to light, it's become energy and can trigger chemical reaction in a nearby substance.
Well, the theoretical framework, according to the scientific authority, for catalysis has diverse applications in water treatment, including the wastewater and to disinfection of pathogens and degradation of complex contaminants. That advantage of use to water treatment in for catalysis is to trade simple and convenient because that is up to 3 times to need the waste days, yeah, and it's a most efficiently technique.
More the theoretical framework are some researchers from Brazil came up with a cleaner substance analysis based on a known as Yellen time dioxide and no particles mixed with Yellen gum. Research groups also found that metal elements like titanium and hydrogen form plates with titanium plates.
Chemical substances. In this system, the main substances involved are titanium dioxide, the photocatalyst that generates electron hole pairs when exposed to sunlight, water, and dissolved oxygen, which react with catalysis to produce highly reactive radicals such as hydroxyl radicals and superoxide. These radicals attack the organic photons, breaking them down into harmless byproducts such as oxygen and water.
Well, the prototype. We need to understand the project of the prototype. We understand it's a rectangle. That rectangle is very small. The length of the rectangle is 10 centimeters or 15 centimeters, and the height of the rectangle is 5 or 10 centimeters. Well, the rectangle we have needs 3 cylinders. The cylinder is the material of this is a titanium. They have plates, and this cylinder, the measurements is the is three for I try to the measurements of this is the 7 or 10 centimeters because they need to a small for to use in schools or use in some places where it is not where it is to use. Thanks. What is this functions of this the prototype? We'll need to use the cylinders is the base of the prototype because is the when the water pass to the cylinder is to remove the contamination of the water and then the water pass to the rectangle to the container, and that's it.
Okay, now this prototype works step by step. First step is the contaminated water enters through the inlet into the turbine container. The second is the sunlight passes through the walls of the container and keeps the carbon dioxide covered in place. The three is carbon dioxide absorbs the light energy, creating highly reactive particles that attack and break down pollutants in the water. Step four, the water flows between the plates, ensuring maximum contact with the catalyst and light. And step five, the reaction continues. Pollutants are decomposed into harmless products like carbon dioxide.
Well, the some variables of the project is the pH of water, the oxygen, the water, and the temperature. The most important of the project is the photocatalysis contaminate because we are not idea for the for the units of the photocatalysis is in the water.
So if the water prototype is completed tested, it's expected that the catalytic reactor will successfully reduce the amount of contaminants in the water. This experiment will demonstrate that solar energy and titanium dioxide can be combined, of course, by water without electricity or expensive chemicals, proving the potential of the technology for sustainable and eco-friendly water treatment. Okay, conclusion, the system can provide cleaner water for communities with limited access to technical technology. Basically, that system is very simple. It's low cost, it's to go, environment, environmental and sustainable clean water. And the
That's all.
reference,
Yeah. So